eggs.
All right. Hey, maybe you can go put them in that Elmo Easter egg basket.
Are you going to go put them in your Elmo basket?
Yeah, put them in. Here, bud. Hey, Jack, carry this with you. And then every time you find an egg, you can put it in there.
I'll find the egg.
Yeah, find some more eggs.
Very good.
Here's some more. Add some Easter eggs.
Okay, look around. Do you see any more?
There's one.
All right, go get it.
Here's the other one. I go get this one. I go get this one.
Wow, you are really finding these Easter eggs.
I did it!
All right, there's still some more, I think, though.
You want to keep
More
looking?
Easter eggs. So, one. I did it, Mommy!
Good job, sweetie.
Here's the other one. Here's the other one. I did it, Mommy!
Wow.